Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the paint and surrounding finish. That determines solvent choice. Once you know latex versus oil, put on gloves and ventilate the room. Start with the gentlest approach. Heat for 2 to 3 passes at low setting or a drop of mineral spirits on a rag. This softens the edge. Use a plastic scraper at a shallow angle to lift loosened paint. Move deliberately. If wood lifts, stop immediately and switch to a solvent approach. Once softened, you continue by combining mechanical and chemical methods for stubborn spots. Apply solvent sparingly onto a cotton rag, press briefly, then scrape with the blade flat to the trim. This reduces gouging. For detailed profiles, use a nylon brush or dental pick to free paint from crevices, then follow immediately with another solvent wipe. Make sure to change rags often so you are not reapplying removed paint. If residue remains, repeat short cycles instead of a single. To finish, clean the trim with a solvent wipe and let it dry fully. Then sand lightly with 220 grit to smooth edges and blend any finish differences. If you nicked the wood, fill with a matching wood filler, sand once cured, and then apply stain or paint to match. Once done, remove tape and inspect seams. If paint is still stubborn or the wood surface is damaged, repeat targeted solvent soaks or call a restoration pro. Don't oversand or you'll change the profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.